We'll guide you through how you can turn on the dark mode in Microsoft Word 2024 with just a few steps. We will see how you can turn on the dark mode and how you can turn on the light mode if you are already in the dark mode. So let's get started. All you have to do is just go to the file menu right here and just go to the bottom here. It says options here. Just click here. And under the journal tab, you can just scroll a little bit here. And it says office themes, you can change it to any theme. For example, I want to turn the dark mode on. So let's click on black and never change the document page color. It says that, but we will not check this. Click OK, and you can see the page and the background has turned to dark mode, and it will be very easy for your eyes now, especially if you're working for a long time on the Word document, especially at nights. This might be a very good solution for you, and especially for students. I hope this was very helpful. And similar thing, if you want to enable that back, just go to the options here as well. Just go to the journal tab and change it to white, or let's say a lighter color. You want to change it to, let's change it to white, or you can also try dark gray, let's say. So it will look something like this. So now the background is gray while the page is still white. So you can try out all of these settings. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and comment down below and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.